week. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, I don't know how you got here, but thank you for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So before I get started, I am wearing this gorgeous poncho that I unboxed in my Luxury Diva box. And I had to film 2 videos today and I said I am not going to take this off. So I will be leaving a link to that video if you haven't seen it. But today's video is a must-have Popsugar. This is a quarterly subscription box and this is the second one I've got, and I want to say it's like $75, but it just comes with oodles and oodles of great stuff in it. So let's get into it. And as always, I will leave a link below for this box. If there is a discount coupon, it will be in there as well. And this is something you've got to try at least once. Again, this is my second one, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. So you open it up and it's just so heavy, and this is a booklet with everything and a description of what comes in the box. So we'll just put that to the side. And the first thing is this, and it says Rifle Paper Company. Our cards are printed in the USA and they look like they're just blank cards. If I could get into it, I would. So it says merci, so they must be like a thank you note, but on the back it does say that they're blank. So these are really pretty. The next thing I'm taking out is this little bag. I think it's like jewelry, a necklace or a bracelet. And I have to say, they do wrap their things really great because, again, I can't get into this. And let me know below how your holiday shopping is going, if you're finished, if you haven't started. Do you do gift cards? I don't have any like young kids. I don't have any grandkids, so I don't really have any young kids to buy for. So it's really not as much fun as it used to be buying cute little clothes or cute little toys. So let me know who you buy for. And I think I got into this. Don't know what it is. Oh, it's this multicolored necklace. It's very, very thin. So there's probably going to be a picture, and the picture will probably do better justice, because I don't know if you can see the colors in there. It's really pretty colors, but the chain is very thin, so it'll be hard to take out. So it did come in this great bag, and after I go through everything, and if there's a picture, I will definitely show it to you. Then we have this. This is keeping the box together. Oh, and before I forget, I had unboxed a single swag video, and I will leave that link for it as well. And I got this little wooden thing, and I didn't know what it was for. And a couple of keen-eyed YouTubers figured it out that I had gotten a spray, and the cap came off of that spray. So thank you guys for figuring out what it was, because it was driving me crazy. And again, you have to check out that video because I didn't know what to do with this thing. The next thing looks like food. Fast Bar Nutrition Bar. Experience fasting and nutrition for weight management and healthy aging. They got my number. So this is what that looks like. And again, after filming, I will try it out. Then the next thing in the box, so this looks fun. It's by Kevin Aucoin, the Neo Blush And that's what the box looks like. And you know, I'm going to just totally tear this apart. And I didn't cheat on this box. I saw a couple people have unboxed it, but I didn't cheat. I don't know why, I normally do. But look at this case. It is so pretty. Wow. Look at the colors of that. Okay, so loving these colors. And the case is just so nice. So far this box is definitely worth it. Then we have by Kappa, Energizing, Rejuvenating, Invigorating Body Oil. And this time of year, I know a lot of the subscription boxes are putting in their body oils. And they smell very good. And look at this bottle on this one. It's a nice glass bottle. And I'm gonna just spray some to see if I could smell it. Okay, and then maybe not. Okay, I just broke it. It smells good, but then I have to figure out how to open it. See, this is I got this kind of bottle and it didn't have a cap on it, and it was a wooden cap, and it just went right on top, but I couldn't figure it out. So this is definitely a nice size body spray. Now we're getting into some big fun stuff. And I'm thinking this is a handbag. It's round. I see gold on it. Getting excited because it'll go my little poncho here. Wow. It's round, and I'm thinking it's either a makeup bag or it's got a strap inside. It looks like it's a makeup bag. It's got, oh, must be a makeup bag because look what was inside. So it's got this nice plastic thing that you can put in a ton of stuff. And then it's got the little thing here to put brushes. So this is a makeup bag. How cute is that? Definitely liking that. And I think there's a couple more things in here. There's this large item. And again, I have to get into it. This is why I have to cheat and watch videos, because those people already figured everything out. I think it's some type of dish. So let's see, Glamour and Soul. Care instructions. Hand wash. I don't know what it is. I do know how to care for it. I unmasked it, and it's this beautiful dish. See the black and white? And then it's got silver on the back. So that is really pretty. And I'm assuming it's just like for jewelry that you just want to put on there, or you can probably put some candles on there, but it's really pretty. That is nice. And it looks like there's one more thing in this box. This is a great box. This looks like it's a the oil thing with the little sticks, because here's the little sticks. And wow, here is the oil. Look at this. It's really nice. So I am going to definitely put this in my bathroom. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my dish, but I do like it. So let's see what all came in here. Okay, the blush that I had, let's see. Okay, the bag is Hudson Bleecker Preto Nomad Round Travel Case. And this retails for $48. And this is super nice. I might gift this because it's so nice, and I probably won't use it. But this is the picture, and it shows all the makeup in there. And it also shows, this is the blush. So that is a really nice makeup bag. Then there's the Kevin Aucoin Beauty, and here is that pretty blush. And this retails, the blush retails for $38. Excuse me, so those two things paid for the price of the box. Then here's the necklace. It's Thai jewelry, and I guess there's two choices, and it retails for $60 to $80. But I don't know if you can see that necklace on her. That's what it looks like. And I think I did have the option to pick. Then there is the Nemo Oberry Lunaris. And this is the dish tray, and that retails for $69. And they show it with cookies. I didn't get the cookies, but I like the cookies. But it is a beautiful tray. And we're offering you a special deal so both you and a pal can save money on your next box. So you give 20 and you get 20. So if you want to try this box, you'll get a $20 coupon. And then there's the MS Skincare, the Kappa Body Oil. It retails for $68, and it's coconut oil and gotu kola extract. It's a multitasker, so you just massage the oil and with circular motion. And again, it was a great size jar. Did I say what that retailed for? $68. And then the Opathique, and this was my favorite item in the whole box because it just looks so nice. And that retails for $48. And then there's the Rifle Paper Company, the box of Merci greeting cards. They retail for $18, and that's what they look like. And actually, I changed my mind. My favorite thing is that Fast Bar by Nutra. Anything food always goes to the top of the list. And, oh, we have a little puzzle in here, so that's kind of fun. So that was everything in my box. I will leave the link and the $20 discount coupon below. Comment, comment, comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.